Tired of waiting for payday? Wish you could access your earnings early? You're not alone. Apps like Beforepay have exploded in popularity, offering instant access to your earned wages. But here's the burning question: does CashApp own Beforepay? Beforepay, with its sleek interface and user-friendly experience, has quickly become a go-to for many. But rumors have been swirling about a potential acquisition by the financial giant, CashApp. Now, let's dive into the facts. While CashApp has undoubtedly made waves in the fintech world, there is no official confirmation that they've acquired Beforepay. Both companies operate in the same space, offering financial services to consumers. CashApp, with its extensive user base and established infrastructure, could certainly benefit from integrating a service like Beforepay. This would allow them to offer a more comprehensive suite of financial products to their customers. However, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, Beforepay has built a strong brand and loyal customer base independently. An acquisition could disrupt this momentum and potentially alienate existing users. Secondly, the regulatory landscape for early wage access services is constantly evolving. An acquisition could bring increased scrutiny from regulators, impacting both companies. There's no concrete evidence to support it at this time. Both companies are likely exploring strategic partnerships and innovations within the rapidly evolving fintech landscape. This situation highlights the dynamic nature of the financial technology sector. Companies are constantly adapting, merging, and acquiring to stay ahead of the curve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.